How to fix side button or power button not working on iPhone. Let's get started. If your button isn't working, it might be due to physical damage or a debris buildup. Inspect the side button for visible dirt or debris. Use a soft cloth or a toothbrush to gently clean around it. Check for any physical damage. If the button is dented or jammed, you may need professional repair. Next, restart your iPhone. For that, launch your Settings app, then navigate to the option of General. Then scroll all the way down, you'll find the option of shutdown. Click on that and restart your phone. Check for iOS update. For that, click on the option of software update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. If this solution doesn't work for you, reset all settings. For that, head back. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset all settings. Type in your phone's passcode over here and go through the process. If the button remains unresponsive, you can continue to use assistive touch as a substitute for power functions, including locking the screen and taking screenshots. To do that, hit back, navigate to the option of Accessibility. Now head over to the option of Touch. You'll find the option Assistive Touch. Click on that, enable it, and here you're gonna find custom actions for it: single tap, double tap, and long press. You can set it up. If none of these steps fix your power button, it might be a hardware issue that requires professional repair. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.